Well, since I've done a cluster video, so I figured I would do one on this one here. Now this one here, the owner was concerned that it might not be repairable. I guess it has some pretty bad damage around that MOSFET that typically likes to fail. So I'm gonna take a look and see how bad it is and if it can be fixed. Now the owner of this vehicle already had this apart. And yep, it does look pretty bad. We got lifted foil and quite a bit of soot from where the MOSFET blew its brains out there. But yeah, I think I can work around that and get this thing to work again. Let me pull this up under the microscope for a closer look. Well, I had to relocate the MOSFET slightly, a little bit different position, just because the foil was so badly damaged. But now for the fun part. Let's power it up and see what happens. Alright, displays are back, so it is repairable. Good. Alright. Get a little bit closer look in there to see what I had to do, since we had some burnt fiberglass in the board itself. I just lifted the MOSFET up above the damage and just soldered the heatsink tab directly to the pin of the transformer that it typically goes to. The foil is completely gone that used to connect it, so Now it has a new home and a couple of jumpers. There's a gate resistor 100 ohm, which is still 100 ohm, and the drain or the source, I don't know which one, but that's going to this resistor over here. And that foil was also gone, so that's a jumper in place for that. And I think I can go ahead and put it back together and let this thing run for a while and see if it's going to hold up. So yep, even the badly burned ones can be saved with just relocating the MOSFET a little bit and adding some jumpers. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching.